This is my 100-foot garden hose. This is my new 100-foot garden hose that I bought at Costco today. The brand is RapidFlo. It says on the box, lightweight, tough, kink resistant, rugged connectors. I don't know anything about this. I did no research other than read the box. It says it's got a 5-year warranty. So is this thing gonna replace my existing garden hose? Today on Alley Picked, we're gonna find out. The regular price on this is $49.99, but today there was a $10 off rebate. This is not one of those pocket hoses that magically expands from a rubber band to a garden hose. This definitely takes up less space. It's about half the weight of my other hose. Redefining the way you work with a hose. Looks pretty much like a hose to me. My first impression after taking this out of the box is it smells. It's got this plastic petroleum odor it gives off. Not a big deal, especially since it's going to be used outside and it'll probably wear off. As far as these grips go, they do feel pretty sturdy. This is a hard plastic and this is a metal. The hose itself is definitely thinner than a normal garden hose. But let's take this outside, hook it up, and see exactly how it redefines the way that I work with a hose. My favorite feature is probably going to be that kink resistant aspect. With my green hose, that was always so annoying to go back and unkink it to get the water to flow. Yep, that's a hose all right. Now the box says that this is Hose Performance Reinvented. Now I'm not sure exactly what this is reinventing. In fact, the pressure on this seems to be lighter. It's like there's less water coming out of the hose. So I ran 3 tests. First, a simple distance test. Which hose sprays farther? The RapidFlo lost by a couple of feet. Next, I wanted to see how long it would take to fill a 5-gallon bucket with water. The RapidFlo lost again. And now it's time for a little math. I tested how long it would take to fill up a 5-gallon bucket with water using my old green hose, and that was 81 seconds. The RapidFlo, 115 seconds. That means 1 gallon of water takes my old hose 16.2 seconds and the new RapidFlo 23 seconds. That's a 30% difference. And that means that the RapidFlo is actually RapidSLO. Now the reason the RapidFlo is slower, it's because the inside diameter of the hose is 1/2 of an inch, while my old hose is actually 5/8 of an inch. Bigger pipe, more water. Now for a 20-second recap on the RapidFlo hose that I picked up at Costco today. On the positive side, the hose doesn't kink. The $50 price tag is not bad, and if you can get it for that $40 with the $10 rebate, even better. On the negative side, it has lower pressure and lower volume, which equates to longer watering times. It does have a 5-year warranty, but you never know how long it's really gonna last. Time will tell. I'm Tom, this is Alley Picked, and thanks for watching.